Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new, and today we are going to be doing some drinks for happy hour. And yes, that's chamoy and tahin. Let's start with this margarita. Don Julio, this is the Blanco, and I am going to also be using this Minute Maid zero sugar lemonade flavor. So this lemonade doesn't have the cleanest ingredients. It does have aspartame, which is in most diet drinks, so it can spike your insulin. Just a heads up on this, but it is delicious, and that's what we're going to be using. I'll be using only 4 ounces, which is half of the serving size, and I will be using allulose, which is a 0-calorie sweetener. I've been really enjoying allulose lately. It's either allulose, erythritol, or monk fruit these days. I'll be adding a tablespoon also of fresh lime juice and one of these packets of true lime. This is going to add more lime flavor. These are 0-calorie and 0 sugar, and I get them from Walmart. These are good to spice up your water as well. Starting off with 4 ounces of the liquid and some ice. I'm going to measure out 1 shot, maybe 2. I'm eventually going to need to add more ice. We like our drinks really cold and slushy. Adding a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, a tablespoon of allulose sweetener, and the packet of true lime. Now let's blend it up. And I'm adding a ton more ice. We recently got this Vitamix and I love it. Now for the inside of the glass, I'm going to use a little bit of chamoy and just sprinkle on some tahin, and it'll stick to it. It's really good and adds a little spice to the drink. This specific chamoy I made sure had 0 carb and 0 sugar. And now just pour it up. Look how slushy and icy it is. So bomb and so refreshing on these hot summer days that are going to be creeping up on us really soon. I topped it off with a little bit of tahin. This drink is really good. It's spicy and tangy, yet really cold, icy, and sweet. It totally hits the spot. Now this drink is my favorite because I prefer vodka over tequila. I'm gonna use this strawberry extract. You don't have to have it, but I do like to add a little bit more strawberry taste. This is bubbly, it's a sparkling water, and it is in the flavor strawberry. If you don't like sparkling water, you're not gonna like this. I'm also gonna add 1 strawberry, so let's go ahead and start on this drink. I'm gonna add a little bit of sweetness later, but first let's add in the bubbly. I just recently discovered bubbly and it comes in so many different flavors. Have you guys tried any of them? Let me know down below. I start off adding only 1 shot. I'm using vodka, but you can definitely use tequila, you can use gin, you can use rum, but I prefer vodka. And then an additional little splash. And then I add a tablespoon of allulose. And another strawberry. And then I added another shot. This ends up being enough for 2 drinks, so it's perfect. And now a 1/4 teaspoon of that strawberry extract. Now I'm just gonna blend it up and pour it into a large glass. This is so refreshing as well and really cold and icy. I really prefer this drink over the other just because of the vodka. I prefer this over the tequila, but whatever your preference is, this is really yummy. You can definitely change out the liquor in either one of these drinks and make it your own. This ends up making 2 drinks, and I ended up adding more ice because, yeah, I like my drinks really icy. Hope you guys enjoyed these drinks and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up, and thank you so much for watching.